10 Body Language Signs that indicates strong female interest. Body language plays a fundamental role in the seduction process. With a simple look we know if a woman is receptive to the approach, without her having to say a single word. Next, I'll reveal to you the top 10 female body language signs that most men don't know about, and stay tuned for the last sign. Number 1, she feels relaxed, demonstrating that her presence is appreciated. This is one of the main signs that she is into you. Number 2, smiles are frequent, another indication that your company is being pleasant. Number 3, eye contacts are frequent. Number 4, she plays often with you and your body. Number 5, her body is slightly leaning towards you. Number 6, she stays very close to you and doesn't move away from you when you get close. Number 7, her body faces yours, as if she ignores everyone to be with you. Number 8, her ears and neck are slightly red when you approach to speak to her in her ear. Number 9, despite having a relaxed body language, at times she shows a little anxiety with her hands, making it clear that she is concerned about pleasing you. Number 10, she gestures a lot with her hands in an attempt to be heard by you. This is one of the most obvious signs that she's into it. If she gestures a lot, invest, as her interest is strong, these are the main signs that she is into you. Friends, if you like these facts, do share them with your friends, and subscribe to this channel to stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.